Good day everyone, I'm Chiana May Herbias from BSBA at a third year college, and today we're diving into a product that has been staple in my household for years, which is Pride detergent powder with fabric conditioner. I've been using this reliable laundry companion every month for our daily laundry needs. Now, let's talk about the packaging and labeling of Pride detergent powder. The first thing that catches your eye is the vibrant design and the big brand name that speaks volumes about its reputation. That labels provides clear information on how much powder to use based on the type and amount of your clothes you're washing and making the process hassle-free. Not to mention the delightful fragrance it leaves in your clothes, and thanks to the fabric conditioner. The color safe formula is a big plus, ensuring that your whites stay white and your colors remain bright. What impressed me is compatibility with all washable fabrics, and it even prevents dullness caused by mineral precipitation in water. So not only does it clean effectively, but it also cares for your clothes in the long run. I would like to recommend this product since I appreciate the clarity and user-friendly instructions, making they a breeze, the color coding for different water levels, and the corresponding amount of powder is a thoughtful touch. It would be a great to emphasize these features in the packaging to highlight the product's user-friendliness. Perhaps a quick guide on the benefits of the color-safe formula and the compatibility with various fabrics would be a fantastic addition. So, Pride detergent powder with fabric conditioner has proven its effectiveness in our household, and I recommend it for its efficient cleaning, fabric care, and the lovely Sakura blossom. If you're looking for a reliable laundry partner, give a Pride try. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.